So there's going to be a lot of people really stoked to see this car, as usual, because you guys are premier builders at SEMA, and everyone always looks forward to your builds. Wow! I mean, look at this thing. It's so incredible. So tell us what you did that, you know, you're going to have to look closely to see, and it looks like could have come from the factory, but it's just breathtaking. You guys widened it, right? So it's widened 2 inches in the front rear, and you did a lot of unique styling cues on it as well.
The owner of this car really wanted to have a car that he could take to like Elkhart Lake for track days, and just really enjoy the car to drive. And it got a little out of control at our shop. We probably made it nicer than he wanted the car to be. It's got a Jon Kaase Boss 429 in it.
And this, I've already read the build sheet. I studied it a lot. This car is putting down 700 horsepower on motor. It's carbureted. This thing is race car. Build quality is so incredible, and that's why everyone is here. And also the name of this car is very special. A lot of us can relate to cars having a place in our hearts connected to family or friends. And this car's name is Uncle because his uncle got him into cars. And so it's a cool off the grid name for you guys. Usually your names are very sexy.
He knew the color it had to be. You know, he really knew what he wanted, and he's not even here to see it, which is a bummer, but I hope he likes it, and I hope you guys all like it.